Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Radiant Star here if you can't tell. So anyway, we are going to be learning how to play with these magnet tiles. Well, not how to play, everyone knows how to play, right? So we're just going to learn some ways to build up these magnets. So let's start by organizing these. I already organized some of these if you guys wanted to see. So we're going to take all of these and put them together. And then these. Okay, so first what we're going to do in this video is we are going to get 4 pieces and put 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to get these and put it 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to use these like this. 1. It won't stay up, so what we have to do is keep it here and put another one. Then it will stay. And let's get 2 more. Now let's put the top. Uh-oh, do you guys see something that is different from the top to the bottom? Yeah, you guys are correct. There's only 1 at the top, and we need 4. Guess what we can do? Let's think for a second. I'll give you 10 seconds to think. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you guess? Yep, we can use these and build it up. 2 of them makes 1 square. Just like that. Orange, yellow. Okay, now, I don't think we have enough. So what we're gonna do, I would put a flat top, right? But do I have enough to make 1 flat top? No, but maybe with these, I don't know. But I'm gonna try and see if we can make a flat top somehow. Nope. So we can't make a flat top with these, but maybe with these we can make something. We're gonna use this one. So 1 purple and 1 orange. There, there, and there. Then we're going to use these, so we haven't used them yet. So these have lines and these have holes, so what we're going to do is we're going to push them in. There we go. Take this one. Whoop. Uh-oh. Seems like it's going to break. Can we fix something? Maybe. We're going to take this part off. Oh, it doesn't look stable. There. And now we're going to fix this. Oh, maybe we could have done an orange one on this, right? Do an orange one. And a purple one on this one. Guys, there's also one more thing. You can't put it with this. So there's a circle and a square. There's a circle and a square. You can't put the square in the circle because guess what? It won't fit. So you have to flip it over, then push it in. So you can remember that this part always goes at the top. Okay. So now I'm gonna add this piece. Take this orange one off without breaking anything, I hope. Okay. And, this one's broken. We're gonna get the other one then. Oh, there is no other one, but guess what? The other side isn't broken. So we're gonna use the other side. Okay, last one. Purple. I think it's complete. Or maybe it's not. Maybe we can add these to the top. Because I told you guys that we were going to use we're going to use at least one of every single piece. Did we use one of every single piece? Besides this one, but I think we're about to use it. If we can do this. Whoa. Oh, it's gonna fall. Let's try this side. Seems good. We can still fix it, can we? Let's see. If we can still lift this up. Oh, we did it. Put these up. Don't let that fall. Put these back up. Oh, I saw this. Now, yep. Okay, I think we can do it now. Or maybe this makes it too heavy. We're gonna see, does this make it too heavy? Or is it just this that's falling? We're about to find out. Wow. I think we used at least one of every single piece, did we? We used all of these. We used all the squares. We used all the triangles. We used all of these triangles. And we used some of these. So, do you guys think we used all of them? Yeah, we did. Okay, so this is really pretty. I think we're gonna put it to the side. No, we're not. No, we're not. We are going to smash this thing down. We're gonna start from the top and bam. 3. Are you guys ready? You wanna do it with me? You can't. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Smash this thing! That was dramatic. Not what I was expecting, but yes. Well, it's a magnet tile swimming pool. I don't think I can swim in this. think I'm mostly swimming on the ground and not on the magnet tires. But anyway, I'm gonna enjoy my pool. Well, thank you guys for watching. Comment down below. Click like and subscribe. Hope you guys like this video.